How to work around style and design options in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to your actual editor on your Squarespace, and from in there, click onto this icon right here, which is our site styles. Once you open this part, you should be able to see in here some site styles as well as the themes that you currently have. And we also have in here our actual fonts, colors, buttons, forms, and miscellaneous. So if you want to work around styles, you can change your fonts as well as the colors right here. For example, let's change the fonts for our actual paragraph. Let's click onto this right here, and you can choose in here the font, the weight, and the likes. For example, let's choose Droid Sans, and it will be changed right here altogether. Now you can do a lot more things using these style changes by clicking or changing the actual color that your site have. Let me show you an example. Currently, we have the blue, black, white, gray theme. Let's change it into this playful option. And once you have clicked on this, as you can see, it's been changed into that color, which entirely changes our site. So you can play around with your theme as well as your styles if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.